There are two primary methods to open your Honda Civic key fob, depending on the model year. For most post-2012 Civics, locate the small release button on the back or side of the fob, often marked with a key icon. Press this button to easily separate the two halves of the case. No tools required. If your Civic is an older model, 2001 to 2011, or if the fob doesn't have a release button, you'll need to use the split case method. Gently insert a flat screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into the seam of the fob. Carefully split the case, avoiding the use of metal tools to prevent scratches. Remember to handle with care to avoid damaging the internal circuits. Once the fob is open, the battery is exposed. The standard battery is a CR2032 3 volts lithium coin cell available at most pharmacies and electronics stores. Note the orientation of the old battery before removing it, usually with the positive side facing up. Use a non-conductive tool to gently pry out the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring it's securely in place and in the correct orientation. Clean the contacts with an alcohol swab to prevent corrosion. Snap the case back together firmly. Test the fob's functions, such as lock, unlock, and the panic button, to ensure it's working correctly. If the fob fails, consider the type of battery used and whether the battery contacts are corroded. Always use the correct battery type, CR2032, and avoid using excessive force when opening the case. Consider the trend towards digital keys and smartphone apps, such as Honda Link, to reduce physical fob reliance. If problems persist, seek advice from a certified Honda technician or your car's manual.